Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place. Today I have a surprise for you. We have the Instant Omni Plus 11-in-1 toaster, oven, and air fryer. So we just got it. It's still in the plastic and everything. So I'm going to take the plastic off. I'm going to do the unboxing for you on camera and tell you all about this little beauty and what it can do. Okay, so I have it out of the plastic now. In addition to air frying and toasting, this Omni Plus can bake, broil, reheat, roast, rotisserie, and dehydrate. Yes, I'm looking forward to all of that. Plus, it can slow cook and it can also proof. So it goes up to 450 degrees, and let's see everything else that this can do. Okay, now we have everything out the box. I'm going to show you a couple of more things up close, but first I'm going to put this in the area where it's going to be kept at all the time. It's going to be kept on top of my counter, and I have about 18.5 inches of space in between the cabinets and the countertop. This is 14.5 inches high, so it's going to be perfect for that space. So come on over. This is my Power XL. This is the 5.3 quart, which I love. We love it, but we needed more space or more area to cook in and to fit more food in at one time. So that's one reason we opted for the air fryer oven. So it's going to replace this in this spot, and let me show you what it's going to look like there. So this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. It is chrome, beautiful shiny chrome, so it goes with the kitchen. So we're very excited about that. Make sure it is close to an outlet because you don't want to put your appliances on an extension cord. So this is just perfect. We have an outlet right here, if you can see it behind this blender, behind this Ninja blender. And it's not a super long cord, so make sure you get it near an outlet. And here it is, all lit up. It's on, but it's off. So it's plugged up, but it is off. There are several things to remember before using your Instant Omni Plus. You want to read the instruction booklet with a fine-tooth comb. There are several things to know right off the bat. Make sure you leave 5 inches above, on the sides, and behind the Omni Plus when you're cooking. I have a 4.5 inch clearing space to my cabinet, so I most likely will move this out when cooking just a little bit, just to, not to get my cabinets warm. And then also, as I stated before, remember to use this in an outlet. You don't want to use an adapter and an extension cord. That's not the safe way to use it. You want to only use the accessories that comes with this in this oven. You don't want to use other accessories from other appliances in this, and you don't want to use these accessories in another appliance. And before you get started, these are the 2 booklets that you need to read. This is the Omni Plus Toaster Oven Getting Started Guide, and this is the Omni Plus Toaster Oven Safety, Maintenance, and Warranty Information Booklet. So they come in this little Ziploc bag, and you have the initial setup instructions. You have the product overview, which these are the knobs on the appliance, and you have all the controls right here in front on top. It has a nice digital display screen, and then you have the crumb tray down here. And the good thing about this is that when you take the oven door down, it opens all the way because it has that crumb tray there. So that allows you to put things evenly in and not have to really tilt and all of that. So that's a good feature there. Let me close this back up. And you have the cooking chamber. You have a heating element on the top and a heating element on the bottom. So let me open this and I'm going to show you inside. Okay, as soon as you open up the oven, the light comes on. So that's one good feature. If you have a dimly lit kitchen, it does have a light on the inside so that you can see very well. I believe it's on about a 30-second timer because it does go off at some point if you just leave it like this, if you leave it open. So the cooking pan goes in very easily. And that's because the door comes down flat. So this fits in very easy. Also, we have, see how the light goes off? And you may be able to reset this. The timer for the light, I'm not sure. That may be in the manual, I just have not found it yet. But go ahead and put this air fryer basket right in there. And here we have the rotisserie spit. And these are the rotisserie forks that will go into the chicken or whatever that you're rotisserieing. So you're going to put this end into the right side, and I'm hoping you can see the little piece there that you put it into, and you just push it over and it goes right into the left side of the air fryer oven. And this is the rotisserie lift. You just insert it and pull it out, you know, when you need to. And this is the oven rack, and you just insert it like that. Also, guys, if you are concerned about the coatings that are on the things that you bake, heat, and fry in, this is PTFE and Teflon free. As you all know, I'm always concerned about the BPA, free plastics, and different things like that. So rest assured, this should be safe for you to cook in. Now, unfortunately, you guys, the heating element here to the top is not non-stick. So that won't be super easy to clean unless you get the splatter off right away. And then going down below, we have the crumb tray, and you can just pull it out, dump it, wipe it down, clean it off, and reinsert. And going to the top of the appliance, I'm going to show you what it looks like here. Also, you guys, the air vents are over here on the sides. So at the top here to the left, we have the presets, have the cancel button, and these are the 11 functions that the appliance comes with. You have the air fry button, toast, bake, broil, roast, slow cook, reheat, proof, dehydrate, convect, and rotate button. So when it says 11 and 1, these are the 11 things that it does. Over here to the right, you have temp and time. You have the start button here, and then this is the digital display. You would need to click one of the functions first, and then you would need to set your temperature and the time, all that good stuff, and then you would hit start. You can easily cancel here to the left with this cancel button. And don't worry, there are detailed instructions in the booklet on what the controls are for and what everything does. Even though the Instant Omni Plus is basically ready to go out of the box, you want to make sure you clean your accessories, the baking tray, the cooking pan, everything. Make sure you clean it before you use it. I'm going to show you the measurements right on camera. Now these may vary from what you may see online because, well, I'll try to do several measurements. So for counter space, from the very back to the front, right here, the front of the appliance is 13 inches. Now, if you're trying to fit it in a certain area from the back, let's see if there's a little puffy area. Just a little bit. I say a half an inch back there to the front of the handle is 15 inches. The height of the Instant Omni Plus is 14.5 inches high. It is 17.5 inches wide. And the depth on the inside is 12.5 inches. So I will be inserting an Amazon link down below in the description box, along with links to the accessories that go along with this. The only thing that I wish it came with was an additional air fryer basket and a baking rack. It would be good to have an additional one of those. The price point is $199 to about $250. So it's affordable for all that it does, especially the 11 things that it does. I think it's very affordable. So I hope you enjoy it. You all know I'm about to make some recipes in this here air fryer, and I'm so excited about bringing you new recipe videos. So use the link below. Go ahead and order yours, and thumbs up this video. If you are new here, subscribe. There's a lot of videos on the channel. Go check out some of my other videos. I have cooking videos, vlogs, cleaning videos, different things like that. I hope that you will enjoy it here on Tracie's Place. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.